Why are you always doing the project without any result? Why don't we create a good movie out of this? For that, Just Journey will continue with our Dark Wolf VFX studio. First, we can shoot something from this scene. We need a camera for that, right? For that, add a cinematic camera actor from this menu. Click this plus button and come to Cinematics. Here you can see a cinematic camera actor. Just click and add that to our project. Now you can see what the camera is shooting in this column on the right side. We can see the focus of this camera is not where we want to be. So find the camera in the outliner and right click on it. Now choose the option Snap Objective View. We can see that the viewport of this column has changed. If you want to highlight it specifically, you can change the name using the F2 key on keyboard. I rename it to Main Camera. Now I can quickly search and find this camera for future uses. Now everything you can see on the big screen is not available in the small camera screen because of the settings of the lens. Let's look at a couple of settings. Here you can see an option Film Back in Details panel. Now change the settings to 16:9 DSLR. Now you can change all the settings that come from DSLR cameras. Also we can see a lens settings. Here we can change and add lenses according to the zooming capacity we need. We can use the lenses from 20mm to 200mm. Now we can change the main screen as the camera screen. For that, click on the option Perspective, in which we can see the name Main Camera. Click on that. Now we can see the main viewport is changed as Camera Viewport. Now let's add a level sequencer for editing videos. For that, click here and add a level sequence. Now give a specific name and choose a path and select a folder, then hit save. After saving, a timeline will appear automatically. Now let's add the camera to that timeline. Go to Outliner and search for your camera. My camera name is Main Camera. Don't add to this place, add to here. Just drag the camera and drop here. Now we are going to give an animation to our camera. For that, scroll down the timeline. Here you can see an option Transform. Here you can see a plus button on the right side of Transform. Not the large one, click on the small one. Now we added a keyframe on that frame. So the frame is fixed there. After giving a keyframe, you can change your camera's position. I am going to move the camera forward now. Before that, you should change the playhead to the last point of our timeline. Done. Now we can change our camera location where we want. After confirming our endpoint, just add a keyframe on our timeline. Now, while moving this header, we can see what is shooted by our camera. And now the time for rendering. For that, click on the Add Movie Render Queue by clicking these three dots. Now click on the clapboard icon. Here you can see the option to change the rendering settings. Now click on the unsaved config. It can take video out in many different formats, but I will show you the basic things for now. Select the option what you need by pressing this plus button. Here, lot of formats are available in this menu. I am using the JPG settings for getting a image sequence. After clicking these three buttons, you can show the desired location to get the video out. I am going to create a new folder on the desktop and add it to it by clicking on Open button. Now you can change the resolution here and also the frame rate. Now click on the Accept button and also Render Local. The rendering will start after clicking on that. After completing this, you get an image sequence like this. Now you can create a beautiful video using this image sequence with the help of After Effects, DaVinci Resolve or any other editing softwares. Otherwise, I can show you how to render out directly from Unreal Engine. For that, select the Legacy option from these three dots. Now go back to the clapboard icon and click on it. Select the desired resolution and the frame rate as you did earlier. Now click on the button Capture Movie and Save Selected. The rendering will start soon. Thus, you will get a nice looking video out. I hope you like this video. Then please like, share and subscribe. Otherwise, you can comment or contact me in Instagram. The Instagram link and the website link are given in the description. See you in next time. Bye-bye.